My name is Peter Facchini. I'm a professor of plant biochemistry at the University of Calgary and Chief Scientific Officer of Epimeron Incorporated. I have been investigating the biochemistry of pharmaceutical alkaloid biosynthesis in opium poppy for the last 26 years. 23 of those have been here at the University of Calgary. The main interest of the program has been to understand thoroughly how opium poppy is able to produce compounds like morphine and codeine, and why it remains our only commercial source for these compounds.
My name is Hagel, and I'm a research associate at the University of Calgary, and I'm also the Chief Operating Officer of Epimeron. I've been doing research on medicinal plants such as opium poppy for 17 years, and the basic idea of what we've been doing as a team is understanding how medicinal plants biosynthesize medicines and essential products and begin transferring that capacity to other more flexible systems. We have quite a few discoveries in the pipeline, but a recent one that has emerged is a key enzyme in opiate biosynthesis. It's called thebaine synthase, and we're pretty excited about it because no one predicted this enzyme even existed, and when you deploy this enzyme, it boosts productivity by over 20-fold. We're pretty excited about the impact. Opium poppy is our only supply now of essential medicines like morphine and codeine and even semi-synthetics like hydrocodone. And it's actually shocking how unstable the global supply is. We rely on other places in the world, as Canada does, for the supply, and these enzymes and processes that we're discovering, when deployed in alternative systems like yeast, there's potential for a more stable supply of these medicines, one that is possibly greener and one that can be done domestically here in Canada.
We continue to look for new parts and understand the processes that the plant is using to be such an efficient factory for the production of compounds like morphine and codeine. And recently what we've found is that in addition to the basic pathway, there is a substantial number of new genes that were totally unexpected by the scientific community, and that these genes are absolutely essential in order to create alternative production systems. And the knowledge and the availability of these parts is going to facilitate the development of those commercial systems so that they will eventually replace the plant as our primary source for the manufacture of essential medicines. Epimeron is continuing to look for partners to advance a number of different technologies that we have, so involving opium poppy, but also involving other medicinal plants. And those partners are very important because they represent either parts of the R&D process or the end users themselves. So Epimeron's intention is not to actually itself become a producer of these compounds. Epimeron's role is to facilitate the discovery of the necessary parts and develop the processes, and then to work with partners to continue the R&D process and bring the products to market. So that's our ongoing goals.